Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Patreon membership billing setup, detailed guide step by step. To authenticate with Patreon membership billing setup, begin by logging into your Patreon account. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Memberships from the drop-down menu. Locate the billing section in your membership settings. Click on Add a payment method to start the setup. Choose your preferred payment option, either credit or debit card. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to provide the billing address associated with your card. Once you fill in all required information, review it for accuracy. Click Save Payment Method to store your details securely. If you have multiple tiers, consider adjusting your membership level if needed. After saving, you may be prompted to authenticate your payment method further. Follow any additional verification steps provided by your bank or card issuer. Once authentication is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. Verify that your payment method appears correctly in the billing section. Finally, ensure you receive email notifications for any billing updates. You are now set up to manage your Patreon membership billing effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.